Kumariria ngwataniro ya Azimio yacokereirie mirurungano yao mwambĩrĩrio-inĩ wa mweri uyu gukinyaniria na riu andu 10 niyo matete mioyo yao thutha wa kurathwo ni maabitha a borithi. Tharĩkĩra iria ĩrerĩkana gũtabanio ni maabitha a borithi itũra-inĩ ria Nyalenda kaunti-inĩ ya Kisumu muthenya wa kiumia kĩhĩtũku ikĩrurumũra ciũria makĩria cia kana maabitha a borithi ni marahuthira hinya mukiruku hindi ya mirurungano ya Azimio. Ikundi cia kuruirira ihoto cia umundu rungu rwa ngwatanĩro ya uchaguzi platform ciugite gatiba ni ihete muingi wiyathi wa kururungana ikimenereria maabitha a borithi aria maranyamaria arurungani.
We are appalled by the alarming incidences witnessed recently where some peaceful protesters exercising their democratic right to picket were met with unnecessary force and arbitrary and unlawful arrests by the National Police Service.
Kuringana na atongoria a ikundi ici, gigatiba ni wira wa borithi kugitira muingi na indo cia muingi, no na gukiri uguo ni mamenereirie uthogi wa thayo na uthukagia wa indo hindi ya mirurungano ino, makiuria aria maratongoria mirurungano ino gukumithia wanangangi wa indo.
You cannot say that since the property there were attempts to steal or attempts to loot and things like that, therefore that responsibility rests on the demonstrators.
We acknowledge that whereas the right to protest is confined in law, it has a corresponding duty. In short, kuna haki na majukumu. We also wish to invite the organizers of the demonstrations to make public pronouncements, calling on their supporters to refrain from destruction of property and causing disruptions to livelihoods and businesses.
Imwe ya mirurungano ino maabitha a borithi ni maikirie ndogo ya kuruta maithori thukuru-ini umwe mwena wa Kangemi igiri-ini ria kung'ethanira na arurungani arwĩrĩria ihoto cia umundu riu ikienda ruhonge rwa borithi rutacukirio ikinya angikorwo ni rukoretwo rukiagarara watho.
We also saw tear gas being directed to a school, and you saw children suffocating. I mean, were those children the protesters? And we ask for accountability in terms of the restraint by the police on where to direct the tear gas. If that force led to fatalities, as we have seen in Nyalenda and so many other places, then when a tribunal will be formed in future, whether it is the International Tribunal or whether any other tribunal, you cannot, as a police officer, rely on the fact that we are acting from orders from above.
Kubwa weru gwa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC ni umwe wa maria kamiti ya wiguano gatagati ga thirikari na mwena wa mung'ethaniro yaritwithanie ikundi ici igicaka ya uhotekeku wa ndũgamano ya gĩgatiba na kuhotoma kwa motungata icigo-inĩ imwe iria ithurano nini ibatie gũtabanio makiendekithia mĩario ĩno icokererie.
We have by-elections in Magarini, Lagdara and Banisa that are still pending, and we also have a boundary delimitation process that has been put on hold. If this process drags any longer, the country risks running into a constitutional crisis.
Kugathĩkwo kwa magoti kĩhĩri watho-inĩ wa kĩgĩna wa mwaka wa 2023 ni imwe wa maria ngwatanĩro ya Azimio ĩratetia kũgerera mirurungano yao, ikundi cikiendekithia President Ruto aige keheri-inĩ watho ũyũ na gwetha njĩra ingĩ cia kũngania mbeca.
According to one of the local polls, TIFA, 60% of Kenyans had rejected the finance bill, and this should not be ignored.
Ngwatanĩro ya Azimio ni yanĩrĩire gũthiĩ na mbere na mirurungano yao wa gatatũ kiumia gĩkĩ.